everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your year 2021 reading. This is going to be for the sign of Aquarius. I've already pulled out the cards and which includes tarot, oracle cards and color cards as well. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's see what is coming up for Aquarians for the year 2021. Let's begin with the tarot first and then we're going to take oracle. Let's see. The Justice paired up with, wow, the Lovers. And the Emperor and Six of Pentacles. Interesting. I do see that, it's going to be the time where you are basically I'm picking up different energies here with you guys. It seems like there is something in your life which needs some sort of justice. Like, it can be you needing a justice, or maybe you need to do justice to someone or somebody in your life. And it seems like, there is lack of balance in your life right now because of that injustice that has been going on for quite some time in your life around something. And it's more like you will have some sort of guidance coming up for you in this year, where you will be guided towards making a choice, making a decision about that injustice that has been happening with you all this time. Or maybe if you have been doing injustice to somebody, maybe you will be given a chance by God, by universe, to make things right this time. Or maybe if it has been happening with you, maybe the God is basically going to give you a chance where you could make things better for yourself. You could do justice to yourself by pulling yourself out of a situation and choosing to be a part of something grand, something that you deserve, something that you believe in. So either way, I do see justice coming up for you in your life and for the people around you as well. And you will be making a choice around something which is going to bring some change in your life overall, which is going to bring balance in your life, which is going to bring you happiness in your life, which is going to bring you fulfillment in your life. And I feel like there is going to be one person in your life who is going to have a very you know um crucial role in your life. This person could be the person that you are going to meet, or this person could be the person that you are already with, but there is going to be one person who has all the key to the situation. This person can make things work for you, and this person can run things for you. So I feel like there is a person in your life who will have much of a control of whatever that is happening in your life right now. It can be a past person, it can be a new person, it can be the person that you are still dealing with as well. But I feel like eventually your life is going to start getting better after the first 3 months time. The justice that needs to be done to yourself, to the person that you are dealing with, or to overall situation, it's going to come after the first 3 months time. The first 3 months time is going to be slightly tough for you when you have to make decisions. Somebody has to make some decisions which is going to impact your life for the remaining year. But I feel like for majority of you, I see the verdict, the whatever decision, it's going to go in your favor. You will get the justice is what I'm picking up. Even if you have been doing unjust to someone, you will start doing justice to that one person in your life. And I feel like it's going to be the time where you basically set yourself free from something that was not satisfying, that was not fulfilling at all. There has been tough times that you had in your life in recent times, and I feel like this energy is going to last for the first few months of the year. After that, everything is going to change, everything is going to go beautiful for you. Again, this person, whoever it is, it's going to be the key thing, key player in your life to bring you what you want, what you desire. Now for some of you, this person could be just a help coming up for you. Maybe it's an outsider, maybe it's not somebody in your life right now. Maybe this person is going to enter in your life to free you from the situation that you are stuck in right now. So, but whoever this person is going to have a key role to play in your life. This person could be the father or the mother of the person that you are dealing with as well. Maybe, this person is going to be helping you two to come together. Maybe this person is going to be the one you need approval from to make some decisions in your love life, maybe. But whoever this person could be your partner as well, like I said earlier. But whoever this person is going to be the provider for you whenever you need help or seek help. This person is going to come forward, help you through the rough patch of your life. I feel like, whatever decision, whatever justice that needs to be done, you are or you have been feeling the pull towards it. You have been feeling that, yes, you need to do this. But for some reasons, you are unable to do that in the first 3 months. Now, it could be a lack of balance in your life, it could be lack of productive thinking, it could be lack of clarity which you might have in the first 3 months, and after that everything is going to start falling into place for you. Again, I do see a person helping you two to come together. So it can be somebody helping you two to come together, it can be your person helping you and maybe somebody else to come together. So there could be, like, maybe different things happening. If you are already with a specific someone and you love someone else, maybe this person is going to set you free so you could pursue what you want to pursue in your love life. Maybe this person is going to be the person of or maybe like I said, maybe it's going to be a father figure or mother figure of the person that you are dealing with, or your own parents, who would be a provider, who would be like, somebody who would help you to come together. And I feel like, there is going to be a lot of financial support too coming from this person, whoever it is. But I do see things changing for you in your favor in the after first 3 months time, things will start falling into place for you. Let's see which two colors could be lucky for you in the year 2021. Let's see. Apricot, rejoice, laugh, number 20. This shade of apricot is like, oranges, peachish orange is the shade. It can be lucky for you. It's time for you to have some fun. I feel like, you will be able to have fun after 3 months time. I feel like, for some reasons I'm picking up some not so positive vibes for the first 3 months time. Violet, number 45, create a balanced life. Like I said, maybe there is lack of balance in the beginning of the first 3 months time. So, which is why, there will be like, some sort of unpleasant, or maybe it's not going to be anything negative. It's just that I'm not picking up a positive vibe either. So it's going to be something tough for you to deal with. Maybe there are certain decisions that you will have to make to get yourself through this path. But yes, if you create balance, if you think through things positive way, you will be easily getting rid of whatever it is that's going to happen in the first 3 months time. But the remaining year is going to be good for you. Let's see what the romantic oracle has to add to the reading. Heart to heart conversations, honestly discuss your feelings with each other. I feel like, whoever it is that you are going to be dealing with, or if there is the person that you are already with who you want to get yourself free from, it's very important that you have a heart to heart conversation with that person. So you break free from that connection and enter into the one that you want. Maybe if there are people involved in this whole situation, maybe you need to have a heart to heart conversation with them, because there is the need to have a heart to heart conversation with the specific someone in love, or the people that are involved in your situation regarding your love life. So that is a must. Honesty is a must, and you really need to discuss things to find out a solution to the issue that you are having right now. Maybe this person is going to be the provider. Maybe this could be a lawyer, or if you are dealing with a divorce situation or something along those lines. Maybe this could be a lawyer that you're going to meet as well, who is going to help you to break free from a connection which you don't want to continue with a specific someone, and you want somebody else, or you love somebody else as well. So it would be different for different people, but yes, honestly discuss whatever it is that you desire. Let's see more cards. Trickery. Be careful with getting tricked by somebody in your life. It can be I don't think that it is going to be like, something big, but if whatever it is, maybe it has happened already to you, and maybe this is something that you're trying to get free from. Maybe you have a chance of getting yourself entrapped into something in the first three, months of the year. So be aware of that kind of thing happening to you in the beginning of the year. I don't see this energy can affect you later part of the year. Try to have a lot of fun in the year 2021. I feel like, as soon as you get done with the first 3 months, it's all going to be good between the, with you overall, be that with a specific someone or be that in other areas of your life. You will be all good, you will be all happy and joyful. Show the world the real you. Yes, I feel like, you really need to break free from something. Somebody might have tricked you in the past and you are still, suffering or dealing with the, the consequences of that trickery that happened with you, maybe. But I feel like, as you get done with it, for some of you, you might have entrapped yourself into some sort of what we call it, um what's the word, controversy or something. Maybe that's something that you have, you need a help of someone to get you out of that situation. For some of you, you might be having some sort of court cases going on. Whatever the situation is, you will be getting free from that after the first 3 months time. And then it's going to be your time to shine. Then we do have balance, spirituality, and practicality. Again, the universe is asking you to maintain a healthy balance between whatever you choose to do in your life. Again, make sure you have a balanced life. Don't get too indulged into something to the extreme level. Let's see more cards here. Open your heart, allow love to grow and bloom all around you. You have waited for this emotionally fulfilling experience for such a long time. And now the time has come. Make your choices by listening to your heart, then following the steps you are guided to take. Joy will lead you to vibrant, healthy life. Number six, you might be getting married to your soulmate. This person could be somebody who's, who you are destined to be with. If you are ending a marriage or ending a connection already that you are in, it was just a karmic cycle that you entrapped yourself into. Now, whoever it is going to enter in your life will be your person. Messenger of thought, a new topic or intellectual project is really exciting for you. There's so much to learn before you feel ready to move forward. New information may require changes to your plans. Review all documents carefully. You will meet or someone who loves to learn and share knowledge. The person is brilliant and truthful, but also blunt and not very diplomatic. Maybe the person that you are going to be with, that person could be somebody who always get into trouble. It can be them and their energy as well. But whatever the case is, I feel like, as this card also, hints at something happening when it comes to legal matters. Maybe you or your person could be a lawyer or something along those lines as well. But again, review all the documents carefully also hints at something illegal or something, something could happen around those lines, which can get you into trouble for some reasons in the first 3 months' time. So just be aware of that energy. Let's see what else is coming for you. Self-worth and self-confidence. You really have to have self-worth and self-confidence to move forward with a lot of positivity around whatever that is happening in your life. Aries, Gemini could be the sign of the person that you are dealing with, or it could be the sign of the person who is going to come forward to help you along the path. Why fit in when you were born to stand out? I feel like, you will have a great support system with this person, whoever it is, because this person is going to make you realize your true worth. You are my everything. This person is going to love you so much. The love that you deserve would be coming from this person, whoever it is that you are going to be with. Our love is beautiful. I feel like, whoever this person is, maybe this is like, I am picking up the vibe of a person who you have known for quite some time, but somehow you and them made wrong decisions in your love life, and now you are coming back together for another, what we call it, another cycle. And now you both realize that your love is beautiful and your love is mutual, and it has been beautiful, but maybe you took wrong paths in the past. You have met the one. Yes, I feel like, whoever this person is, I don't see that this person is a new person in your life. I feel like, this is a, maybe for some of you it could be a childhood sweetheart or something. Write a letter to your God. It is going to help you break free from whatever it is that is not working well for you. Whatever it is that you really want to work for you and you're struggling and juggling with things, write a letter to your God. Let your God know that these are the things you want or seek help. Intend to find a path forward that will help you to come out of whatever it is blocking you right now. It's going to be very beneficial to you. When you write a letter to your God, always either bury that letter in the park or somewhere, or flow it in the running water. Divine timing is into play right now. Just relax and wait for the justice to come in. But if you feel in your situation you need to make some efforts, make an action towards something, go ahead with that. Spiritual growth on the right path. As you have the spiritual growth, you will be on the right path towards what you want. Try to connect yourself to your God. Again, write a letter to your God and keep in touch with your God through messages, through telepathic messages, through meditations, through intentions that you put out. Maybe every day, maybe you can write, start writing journal or something. Stay connected to your God. That's going to help you a lot. Let new people in your life explore. If you need any help, let a new person involved in the situation. That person is going to help you explore the better opportunities to come out of this situation. Making new friends is also going to be good for you during this year time. Let love in. You are blocking it. I feel like, with clarity comes love in your life. And I feel like, right now you really need to break free from whatever it is blocking you right now in the beginning of the year. Happy married life is indicated with these cards here as well. I do see good times coming for you in your love life, but after 3 months time. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming for you for the year 2021. If the reading resonates with you, or if it helped you in one way or the other, do like, share and subscribe. Till I do the next stream for you guys, take care. Bye bye.